Biodegradable equipment, PLA production line. Plastic ban business opportunities. Straw lunchbox. Environmental entrepreneurship, carbon neutral entrepreneurship. Molding equipment, factory transformation. Degradable certification, agricultural waste recycling. Main production equipment for biodegradable tableware. Biodegradable tableware is made of various raw materials such as PLA, starch-based, bamboo fiber, sugarcane fiber, etc. And the production equipment needs to be customized according to the characteristics of the raw materials and the process flow. Typical equipment includes extrusion molder, purpose, heat and melt granular raw materials such as flour, starch, and then extrude them through a mold such as lunchbox holders, straws, knives and forks, etc. Technical features. Precise temperature control. Flour melting point is about 160 degrees Celsius. Starch-based materials require high temperature for gelatinization. The mold design is complex and needs to be adapted to different tableware shapes. Trimming and cooling systems can be integrated to improve efficiency. Thermoforming machine. Application.